Welcome to Lifescape Bite. Today we're talking about some immediate steps you can take in order to protect yourself and your loved ones during this pandemic. And there's 4 essential things that you need to have in place. And a story. A few weeks ago, we had a conversation with a young couple at church, and the guy said, I don't have anything in place. We really need to get that done. Well, time passed, and lo and behold, they didn't get anything done. And now that young man who has a spouse and young children has COVID-19, and they are in the midst of a tremendous struggle. And what I found out from that is if you don't do what you need to do when you need to do it, the government will do it for you, or the insurance companies or the court. And that young bride is struggling to take care of her family, their finances, because nothing's in place while her husband is in a very difficult situation. The 4 things that you need to get done immediately. 1, a durable power of attorney for financial matters. So regardless of what happens, if you're sick and unable to do things for yourself, you can appoint someone to do those for you. It may be your partner, your spouse. It could be another family member. And that's very important during this time to make sure that life goes on. If you have a business, your agent can operate that business. Number 2, that's a healthcare power of attorney. And that's very important. If you're unable to make a healthcare decision, like a ventilator or the type of medication that you should be pursuing, you want to have appointed someone that can do that for you. 3rd is a living will, which basically says if I'm vegetative, comatose, brain dead, don't make me live on a respirator and feeding tube for months if the doctors say there's little or no chance of my survival. Otherwise, you'll remain on a ventilator and a feeding tube until your body basically shuts down, which is a no-win for anyone. And then finally, that 4th document is a portable HIPAA authorization, which allows the doctors and the nurses to discuss your care with your family members, such as your children, your parents, your siblings, anyone else. And in the absence of that, they will not discuss those with me. So look, get these done. It's imperative that you have these in place regardless of what happens, but particularly during this time. So until next time, we'll see you back here on Lifescape Bite. Have a great day.